how long do you have to file a car accident claim? In Pennsylvania, we have what's called a 2-year statute of limitations, which means 2 years from the day your accident happened, you have the right to go and file either a summons or a complaint in the corresponding court against the person who caused your accident. If you decide 2 years and 1 day later you want to sue them, you're done. When you get to the 2-year statute, the 2-year anniversary of your accident, if you don't have anything filed, when the next day comes, your case is extinguished. Now, there is a 4-year statute of Pennsylvania, but that's not for third-party liability, which is one car hits another. That's third-party liability. The 4-year statute of limitations would be if the one car hits the other, that car pays its policy limits, and the person is still really hurt. There's 4 years from the day that the third party settles to make a claim against your underinsured or uninsured motorist. If the person that hit you has no insurance, you have 4 years from the day you knew or reasonably should have known that they were uninsured in order to make a claim. Now, you always have to look at your policy and read your policy, because some insurance companies slip in language that undermines the statute. They can create 1-year statutes. So you have to read your statute of limitation in the policy booklet they give you when they sell you the policy. And it'll be right under statute of limitation. It'll tell you in very plain language how long you have to bring an action. It's generally 2 years for, one car hits another car, or if you're a pedestrian hit by a car. But you have to check the policy. That's key, because sometimes the insurance companies write things in the policy that you don't expect. The best thing you can do is talk to a lawyer, because in the end, they're going to know. They're going to be able to iron these things out for you, and you're going to be able to do the one thing that you have to do as a client, and the only thing you have to do as a client. Get treated and get better, because eventually the case will settle, and if you still have pain, you're not going to take $50,000 and rub it on your back and make it go away. It won't happen. And I can guarantee you, as sure as Veronica wiped the face of Jesus, that money will go. It will get spent, and you will still have pain. Get the care you need.